Welcome to beginner's course on programmatic advertising. If you are new to online advertising, then this video helps you to understand about advertisers or brands and other basic terms related to it. Without any further delay, let's begin the session. Advertisers are one of the major players who invest and source of money which flows in the ecosystem. Someone has an idea of online store. They develop that idea and created a product. For example, like a website. To make a business out of it with that product, they need a company. So, company is an organization which consists of people, process, and technology. If you take any company that falls under one industry, right? So, industry refers to combination of these companies which works on the same line of business. Let's discuss all these one by one. First, industry. It is a group of organizations dealing with similar business and covers the companies. For example, Volkswagen is a company where it belongs to automotive industry. Unilever is a company, it belongs to consumer goods industry. Industry is a line of production activity. So any number of people or companies can start an industry. So we have known about industry, right? Now let's understand what is meant by company. It is an organization dealing in particular type of business or many vertices. It is an artificial person in the eyes of law. Volkswagen is a company, whereas automotive is an industry. Unilever is a company and it comes under consumer goods industry. So what is meant by product? It can be defined as an object or system that made available for consumer use. Any goods or services or idea can be called as product in the market and also have its own lifespan. This product can be sold to consumer in exchange for money. Product has its own identity, size, color, brand name, shape, packaging, features, price, etc. A product always exists to fulfill customer needs. One of the products of Volkswagen automobiles. Personal care is one of the products for Unilever. Adding to previous points, a single product may have same features and benefits. Based on this, there exists a competition between brands where consumers decide which one to choose. A product can be placed at the center of marketing program. Products plays a major role in determining overall success of marketing efforts. I hope you understand about what is meant by industry, company and product. Let's understand what is meant by brand. A brand consists of name, symbol, design, slogan, logo and most importantly the key brand promise. Brand helps to distinguish from other products and services and make product unique from others. Brands have their own identity which reflects the brand's uniqueness with differentiation and value. One of the brand of Volkswagen is Audi and for Unilever one of the brand is Dove. Audi is an automobile product. If you talk about its features and other details, that means you are just knowing about this product. You can add something which helps to meet customers' emotional needs, then brand is useful. Here, Audi's slogan is being ahead through technology and tells about its brand's uniqueness and about how this product is better than others in the market. In simple words, to understand, brands are the assets of the company, and without a product, there is no need for a brand. Finally, let's look at the definition of advertiser. Advertisers means a person or company that advertises a product, service, or an event. Let us know more about advertisers in the next slides. Based on various factors, advertisers can be divided into large advertisers and small advertisers. Large advertisers. They have multiple products and larger team in various sections. With various departments, large advertisers can able to reach their products to worldwide audience. They have huge budget to spend on various media channels which includes traditional and digital too. They build audience worldwide at large scale every year and always try to increase. They advertise their products online with multiple media formats. These large advertisers maintain direct relationship with top publishers for premium inventory. They can track and have the data to understand customers at every stages of purchase funnel. And this data can be useful for advertising and can be sold to buyers or advertisers. Small advertisers are like more personal and have very limited resources. They spend less budget when compared with large advertisers. Small advertisers use ad networks like Google Ads to reach audience with their limited and flexible budget. Unlike large advertisers, these advertisers use less media channels as per their budget. Advertisers spend budget on ad campaigns as per the required details and planning. They make advertisements ready for campaign. Along with that, they choose media channels, plan budget, fixed flight dates, define targeting, also with agreed rate to purchase the ad inventory. All these are to achieve similar goal of advertiser. Let's take a small example of campaign details. If you look at the ads, let's take an example of banner ads having two sizes. Let's take display advertising. So it's a display channel. Take a budget around 1 million USD. Flight dates are May 1st to 10th. Targeted audience for this campaign, let's take food, sports, etc. And region we can take as US. And time of the day we 8 am to 4 pm. And finally rate for this campaign 2 CPM. This is just an example of how advertiser ad campaign details looks like, and there are more info can be added to it. This example is just for your understanding purpose. Advertisers can run their ad campaigns using various ad formats. These are various ad formats available for advertising. Some of them are banner, native ads, interstitial, mobile, video, audio, skin ads, connected TV, digital out of home, etc. Advertisers have the options in ad tech platforms to choose which device to target. Devices to target available are desktop, laptop, smartphone, tablet, connected TV, voice devices, etc. They can target these devices using various ad formats. They can exclude or include these devices as per their campaign requirement. Advertisers can use various trackers to track impressions, clicks, conversions, etc. Advertisers may have various targeting requirements, and as per their requirement, ad tech platforms provide various targeting options which helps advertising campaigns. Example of targeting options are keyword, category, brand safety, channels, URLs, and many other. We shall discuss all these targeting options in detail in future videos. Next is pricing model. Advertisers can choose different pricing models like CPM, CPC, VCPM, CPA, CPV, CPE, CPI, other bid strategies available in any ad tech platforms. And advertisers can choose as per their requirement. We shall discuss about pricing models too in the future videos. Finally, to conclude this video, advertisers are individuals or have their own companies, products, brands, etc. They spend money to advertise their products to get audience and consumers noticed. Every advertiser have their own internal marketing departments, but it also depends how large or small advertiser is. Also, advertisers use in-house or agency services also. They have marketing objectives with a mix at every stage of purchase funnel. They focus mainly on return on investment. Every advertisers are likely to achieve goal and also spend full budget as per their media plan. Thank you so much for watching this video. If I start with actual topics related to programmatic right from the beginning, few of the terms or concepts may not be clear or create confusion for learners who are new to this industry. From this YouTube channel, you can learn concepts of programmatic advertising from very basic level. Even learners who are new to this industry can easily connect, follow and understand. Keeping this in mind, I have covered topics like ad inventory and publisher in my previous videos. If you have any queries and would like to share your valuable feedback, feel free to write to learnersearchglobal@gmail.com or write under comment section. Please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get notification of every video we upload on programmatic advertising. Take care and stay safe. Stay tuned for our next video.